You've just stepped off the plane. You can practically smell the crisp hotel sheets. You're already picturing that first glorious bite of room service fries. When you unzip your suitcase and bam, nightmare mode. Zippers dangling open, clothes twisted into knots, something valuable gone. Or worse, no bag at all. Last year, airlines misplaced over 25 million bags, and nearly 1 in 10 checked suitcases ended up damaged, lost, or tampered with. The scary part? Most travelers think it won't happen to them until it does. The good news? You can beat the odds. Today, I'm giving you 15 smart, tested, and slightly sneaky luggage hacks to protect your gear, keep thieves at bay, and make sure your bag arrives exactly where you do. These aren't the same tired, put your name on it tips. These are the tricks veteran travelers actually use. And after this video, so will you.
Hi, I'm George, here to unlock the secrets you never knew existed. Welcome back to Altitude Hacks.
Tip number 1. Choose armor, not fabric. Once your suitcase leaves your hands, it's not gently rolled to the plane. It's tossed, dropped, shoved down conveyor belts, and scraped by machines with zero sympathy. Soft-sided bags? They tear like potato chip bags and are an open invitation to thieves, who can pop them open with just a pen. Invest in a sturdy hardshell case made from polycarbonate or aluminum. Go for a textured or matte finish instead of glossy. Glossy bags slide off stacks, annoy baggage handlers, and can get roughed up faster. Your bag should be able to take hits and still look ready for the next adventure. Tip number 2. Ship it, skip it. If you're hauling high-value gear, traveling for a big event, or just hate the stress of baggage claim, consider shipping your suitcase directly to your destination. Services can deliver it to your hotel, Airbnb, or even a cruise port. It's not the cheapest option. Prices can range from $50 to a few $100s, but it eliminates theft risks, connection delays, and that awful moment when your bag never appears on the carousel. Bonus: walking through the airport without luggage feels like VIP travel. Tip number 3. Ditch the designer look. That shiny metallic bag with the designer logo? It's basically a neon sign to opportunistic thieves. If it looks expensive, people will assume what's inside is worth stealing, even if it's just socks and sunscreen. Go for darker, neutral colors like navy, gray, or black, and don't be afraid of a few scuffs. Add stickers, duct tape, or even a weird, colorful ribbon. The goal isn't to hide your bag, it's to make it look boring, low value, and not worth the trouble. Tip number 4. Beat the overstuff. We've all sat on our suitcase like it's a stubborn mule, begging the zipper to close. But overstuffing is a recipe for disaster. Zippers can burst mid-flight, turning your clothes into a baggage carousel fashion show. Use packing cubes for compression, fasten your bag's internal straps, and bring a foldable duffel for overflow. A balanced bag is less likely to split, easier to move, and way less stressful to deal with when you're rushing to make a connection. Tip number 5. Track it quietly. Airline tracking apps are good for basic updates, but they can lag or miss scans entirely. Slip a Bluetooth tracker like an AirTag, Tile, or Chipolo inside your suitcase, hidden under the lining, or in a zipped pocket. You'll get real-time updates on your bag's location, often before the airline even knows something's wrong. Never attach it to the outside. Keep it hidden so only you can use the information. Tip number 6. Stay within arm's reach. Airports are distraction factories, crowds, gate changes, charging stations that never work. While you're distracted, someone could swap or grab your bag in seconds. Keep your bag where you can touch it at all times. Flying solo? That means yes, you take it into the bathroom. If you're with someone, take turns watching the bags. Thieves love unattended luggage. Don't make it easy for them. Tip number 7. Check in later. It sounds counterintuitive, but checking your bag too early can actually increase the risk of mishandling. Early bags often sit unsupervised, get shuffled between carts, or miss the final load. Aim to drop your suitcase closer to boarding time. Bags loaded last typically go straight from the counter to the plane, reducing idle time and cutting down on mistakes or tampering opportunities. Tip number 8. Keep the essentials with you. If you can't afford to lose it, it doesn't belong in your checked luggage. That means laptops, passports, medications, jewelry, and irreplaceable documents stay in your carry-on, always. One traveler learned this the hard way after checking a $1,500 MacBook that got soaked in the rain on the tarmac. It arrived dead, with no backup. Lesson learned. Keep your valuables literally by your side. Tip number 9. File fast, not later. If your bag doesn't show up, don't wait a bit to see if it appears. Airlines often give you only 24 hours to file a claim. Go straight to the baggage desk, fill out a property irregularity report, and include detailed descriptions and photos. Keep receipts for essentials you buy, like toiletries or clothes, while waiting. Airlines are more likely to reimburse you when you have proof. Tip number 10. Zip tie the zippers. This 1-cent trick adds instant deterrence. Thread a zip tie through your zipper pulls. A thief would have to cut it, making tampering obvious. For extra intimidation, use brightly colored ties or security seals. Thieves hate attention, and even a small burst of neon on your bag can be enough to make them move on. Tip number 11. Photograph your proof. Before sealing your suitcase, snap clear photos from all angles, front, back, sides, and any unique features. Then take pictures of what's inside, especially valuables or brand name items. These photos help staff identify your bag quickly if it's lost, and they give you proof for insurance or reimbursement claims. A few seconds now can save hours of stress later. Tip number 12. Ditch the airport plastic wrap. Those cling film wrapped suitcases look secure, but are wasteful and inconvenient. TSA will cut through it if they need to inspect your bag, and then you're left with trash. Instead, use a reusable luggage cover. It shields your zippers, protects the shell, and makes your bag annoying enough to deter casual tampering. Tip number 13. Claim it immediately. The baggage carousel is a thief's playground. No ID checks, no alarms, just a moving buffet of bags. Don't let yours make laps unattended. Head straight to baggage claim after landing, spot your suitcase early, and grab it on its first pass. Waiting means giving opportunists more chances. Tip number 14. Remove old tags. That old Chicago tag from last summer? It can trick a scanner and send your bag to the wrong city or country. Before you leave home, remove all old baggage stickers and barcodes, including ones tucked under the handle or along the sides. This quick check can save you days of misplaced bag misery. Tip number 15. Layer your defenses. Thieves are lazy. The more hassle your bag presents, the more likely they'll skip it. Combine deterrents, zip ties, a snug luggage strap, a bright seal, and a cover to create multiple layers of security. It's not about making your bag unstealable. It's about making it just annoying enough that they choose an easier target. Air travel doesn't have to be a gamble with your belongings. With a few strategic moves, your bag can go from easy pickings to too much trouble in minutes. Next time you fly, remember, pack smart, lock it right, track it tight. Never assume your suitcase will take care of itself, because it won't. If you learned even one new trick today, tap that like button and share this with a friend who's always losing something when they travel. This is Altitude Hacks, helping you fly higher, travel smarter, and keep every single sock exactly where it belongs. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.